So there's the full moon on the Saturday evening. So while I'm having to go close the gate, Susie from Germany, she was asking about colors and stuff. She replied with a blue heart on a Wednesday's video, if I'm not mistaken there. And the Wednesday's videos, you know, just trying to create order out of the chaos. Wednesday I tried to keep it with an orange. And so I said, well, I at first replied with a green heart and then realized, hey, it's a Wednesday video, I got to reply with a orange heart. And then she asked about, let me explain or whatever, and I just had a really simple, you know, just like a joke comment and not something too serious, and they removed it. So let me try and put it on the screen. Basically, since Mondays are Blue Mondays, there's the blue for Mondays, trying to keep the Mondays always with blue colors. Tuesday is Choose Life Chillo. Wednesdays running into Thursdays. We see how that goes. Sometimes into the Fridays we keep with the orange. It's the W3W days. And Fridays, of course, is green. Food Forest Fridays are green. Like to get into the automation of things in the future. On Fridays more. Saturdays are whatever Saturdays are. Sundays are whatever that is. And the Mondays is then again a Blue Monday. What else? I didn't say much more than that, and that got removed. Oh, I said check out the Bush TV Day 54, the 5th of
It's the 44th
April one. I
one.
think it was that one. If you want to understand more about the orange and the Wednesdays and all that. It's a sunny Sunday morning on our Namibian Food Forest homestead, and it seems the full moon fairies were very busy. We woke up with a nice cement floor here. How cool is that? Well, it's a sunny Sunday for those who worship the sun. For us, it's like an overcast. I see we have a situation here. Now, if you took your rabbits earlier, you might have been the proud daddy of new babies. I wonder what's going on there. She can't just have at one. I don't see any other. What? So I guess that was her first time. It was just one, and she just plopped it out there in the open and it died. What is with these rabbits? Why only one? Okay. How beautiful are these? There's the wall. Let me just tell this quickly. So if you see yesterday's footage, Mukoso, he was making balls, and that makes a lot more cracks. It's better to just pack a lot of clay and then slap it together, and you have better cohesion. Having balls of clay do this. Anyways, what is with bunnies? Just like 2 hours later or whatever, bloop! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now why here? They have a nice little spot there. What should I do here? At the onset of starting this Food Forest homestead, we had a lot of bees around, and then especially the last year or two they really gotten few and died back. Didn't see them much. They used to sit here full, but lately they are coming back. I suspect that nearby beehives were chopped down for their honey. So at Wokko Makes, he showed how to make a beehive from just 5-liter bottles. So I think I must just try that and go put up a beehive in the backyard. So it seems only one made it. I left him for an hour or so to just see what she does with him. And so this one I'm trying to get him to drink, but it doesn't seem he wants to do that. Screaming from too much oxygen. So there in the cage is the 5, or well, the 4. It looks like they didn't make it. Oh. I think this is the first time baby mom, and that's why it's not going well. And this is the first time baby. He doesn't also know what to do. So we got the baby in there. It did take a few sips of milk, it seemed. And so let's hope mother instincts kicks in here. They like to munch on these flowers. Rest well, my little bunnies.